Morning everybody, Mark here from Club 365. Well, we're now on to day 3 of the Excel and Power BI Summit, and it's been really good so far. I've actually learnt loads. So day 1 was all about Excel, and day 2 was all about Power BI. So yesterday we drilled in and we shared some really good stuff, a lot of intro level sessions if you've never used Power BI before, so that was amazing. Today we've got a really good lineup. So first off, we've got John Lunn. I've got the screen over here, as you can imagine, because my memory's not that good nowadays. But we've got John Lunn starting, and his session's called Your Charts and Reports and How They Are Making Your Brain Work Harder. So this session is all going to be about the psychology of presenting data, because you may not know, but sometimes just showing people a table of data isn't the best thing to make their brain tick. You need to be using your charts and your reports and graphs to make that data more intuitive for them. There's a lot of psychology in that. Then following that, we've got Mr. Nick Brattoli with Steve Wilson. They're going to talk to you about how to use Power BI with SharePoint lists, which I think is a massively common use case. So if you've got your data stored in lists currently and you want to be able to bring it into Power BI and create beautiful looking reports and slice and dice them, then this is the one to come to. Following that, we've got an integration session, which is how to use Power BI with Power Apps. So I'm really interested in that because I'm just starting to do quite a bit with Power Apps now. So with my new knowledge from yesterday, I'll be able to take that with what I know about Power BI and use it in Power Apps. So that's going to be a great session with Suzanne George, who's also a Microsoft Regional Director. She's very cool and very good of her to give us her time. And then I mentioned a post this morning saying I wanted to thank Laura GB, and the reason for that is because we've potentially got a cancellation. One of our speakers, one of his family members isn't too well, so he's struggling to get his session done. We may still get it, but Laura, bless her, newly crowned MVP, so well done to her, bless her, she's spent a good amount of her own time creating a replacement session for us. And what I'll do is I'll just do the intro to what Laura's session is so you can get a good idea of what it is. So I'll see you when you get back.
Hi, welcome to the session regarding the November update of Power BI. So in this session we're looking at the November 2019 update. Power BI updates every single month. This is either a blessing or a curse. Amanda Kofsky every month does a fantastic quick review of all the updates that are in there. And there's a screenshot at the top of the page from November. We'll look at how to turn on the updates that have come in, the preview features. Lots of features come in as a preview, and so that you can choose whether to have them on or not. And then over time they go into what's called general availability, which means they're available for everyone, and quite often they're turned on with no choice.
Right, so that's the session. If you want to know what's new with Power BI in the latest release, then come along and watch Laura's session. It'll be on the agenda. But that's it. I hope you've enjoyed the summit. So if you also do come along, it's a couple of sessions. What we're doing is we're sharing a secret discount code, because as I mentioned yesterday, we've kicked off a brand new summit. It's called Club 365 #GlobalCon 1. And it's going to be a 5-day summit, and we're going to do one per quarter, and it's going to cover Power BI, Power Apps, SharePoint, Teams. There's probably a few other things as well I can't think of. Dynamics as well, and we've got some on search, and we've got loads more sessions. We're still doing a call for speakers, so I imagine we're going to have the full array of sessions there. But inside of a couple of secret sessions, right at the end, if you come along, there's a discount code to save $10 on the All Access Pass. And the All Access Pass this time is incredible. So what you're going to get is you're going to get all of the sessions from Microsoft Teams Virtual Summit and the ebooks, plus Power Apps and Microsoft Flow, or now known as Power Automate. So we'll give you effectively the All Access Passes for 3 of our previous conferences, plus a $10 discount if you come along and watch the sessions today. And what we'll do is we'll paste a link in the chat, and you just click that, and you put the discount code that's going to be secret at the end of the session. It'll only be shown for a minute, so you need to keep your eyes peeled, and you can get your $10 off. If you don't get it, then it's a great offer anyway, because it's $59, so you're saving something like $750, which is really cool. So I'm very proud of the offer we're putting out today. There's a lot of stuff there. But anyway, see you there, and if you're in chat, say hi to me, and can't wait for it, and bye.